is an equestrian enthusiast's dream and home to more than 114 acres in North Florida, only 30 minutes from downtown Tallahassee and downtown Thomasville. The farm includes 3 miles of uninterrupted riding trails, a 1-mile clay-based racetrack, a 12-stall horse barn with hayloft and French drain, an equipment barn with living efficiency, 3 washing bays, 6 paddocks, and a secluded pond. The home boasts more than 8,000 covered square feet with 8 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, spacious living areas, 3 fireplaces, a 4-car garage, and a mother-in-law suite with full kitchen and 2 bedrooms. Call today for a private showing or visit weeksauctiongroup.com for more information.